Welcome back to the Normalize 2012 YouTube channel, where we are putting off the lie, LYE, embracing who we really are. I am so excited today. Today, we are starting the Protect the Style Challenge. If you're joining me on this 6-month journey, you would have already commented on my previous video announcing this, saying I'm in, sis. If you didn't get a chance to comment over there, then go ahead and comment down below in this video saying I'm in, sis. And don't forget to subscribe. So I've already deep conditioned my hair. I deep conditioned my hair for about like 20 hours, and so it's just kind of in a bun. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my hair. I'm gonna do some small twists because those last longer. So I'm gonna do some small twists in my head using the LOCO method. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of the footage here, and then I'm gonna come back at the end and then talk to you after that. It's already wet because I put this on my hair once I got out of the shower. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it around my shoulders so it can catch the excess water that is dripping. Here with me because as I go, I'm gonna kind of check my ends because I am due for another search and destroy, and so I'm just gonna try to any like single strand knots I feel. I'm gonna go ahead and cut those out. I did do a wash and go, and so I haven't put that video out for y'all. But I am suffering from some single strand knots, which is one of the reasons why I don't like doing wash and goes on my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut those out as I feel them. Because those hairs get caught on other hairs, and then that leads to breakage. Normally I would keep my hair elongated, but I have been enjoying the shorter look on me lately. So I'm not gonna stretch my twists out. I'm just gonna keep them however much they shrink up. So normally I would stretch it out, but for the first couple weeks, I'm gonna do the short way and keep and just let it shrink. And then the weeks to come, then I'll do my elongated style. all done. It took me about 2 to 3 hours. I did take a break and eat and, you know, do some stuff. But yeah, so, you know, these are very versatile. I'm trying not to do too much with it right now until it completely dries. But as you can see, I do have a lot of shrinkage. I plan to mainly wear these in a blow bun, you know, and, you know, probably do like some little stuff like this if I want to, or something. The main thing is that your hair is clumped together and these twists, and the ends are protected. And so I'm gonna do that with, like I said, wearing a low bun. I can, you know, it's not bad wearing it out like this. You just want to be mindful with the clothes you wear. That's gonna like dry out the ends, just like laying on your shirt. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep these in for at least a week. I'm not sure if I'm gonna refresh. Depends on like how my hair feels. If I do, then I'll come back on and I'll show you what I do. Or if you follow me on Instagram, I'll give you an update on Instagram what I do. Yeah, so I am excited. I hope you're excited to start this protective style journey. Let me know in the comments how you're gonna start out wearing your hair for the first month or the first couple weeks. And if you have any other suggestions regarding some protective styles, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can keep track of the Protective Style Challenge and any other videos that I post. And make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you don't miss anything that I don't post on YouTube that I'm posting over there on Instagram. So make sure you follow me over there. And so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.